And to repeat banner stand is easy to set up by two persons, since you can balance the telescope pole better, and it also can be done by one person. Let's make sure you have all the parts needed. The stands come with 2 steel bases, 4 medium poles and 2 long poles, 4 screw knobs, 2 bolts, and a hexagon wrench. Firstly, grab a long pole, a steel base and a screw. Screw the long pole to the steel base. You may use the hexagon wrench to help you completely screw the bolt. Repeat the same step for the other side. Next, connect the 2 medium poles together. You can repeat the step for the other 2 poles. After that, expand the support pole. Insert the support poles into the 2 pockets of the backdrop. Then connect the support poles to both base posts using the screw knobs. Repeat the steps for the tube and button. Finally, adjust the height of the posts to match the printing by the spiral ring. It's much easier to do with another person.